Everybody do the trap pump! Everybody do the trap pump! Hey! Everybody do it! Come on! Shake it out! Hey! MDMA make disco music amazing again. He steps on the floor with a wobble and grin, hands waving wide like he's trying to win. The crowd starts laughing as he spins around. Every move he makes shakes the whole damn ground. Hands up high, don't lose the beat. Shake those shoes on your tired feet. No one knows what's going on, but the dance floor keeps him strong. Everybody do the trip, pump, 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 don't fall. Just jump, jump, trip, trip, pump, 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 pump. Get right from trip, trip, pump, pump, don't fall. Just jump, jump, everybody do the trip, pump, pump, trip, pump. He signed 3 bills in the middle of the dance, then slipped a bit but saved the stance. People cheering loud and wild, like watching disco meet freestyle. Everybody do the trip, pump, jump, pump, pump, don't fall. Just jump, 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 pump, pump, left, right, up, down, jump, jump, pump, pump, don't fall. Just jump, jump, everybody do the trip, pump, oh jump, oh. Everybody do the trip, pump, oh jump, oh. Everybody do the trip, pump, oh jump, oh. He sways off beat, exhausted now. Melania guides him with a knowing bow. They shuffle through the YMCA light. He yawns and whispers, even legends need good night. Come on! Jump, jump, pump, pump, don't fall. Just jump, 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 pump, pump. Make the disco fun, fun. Jump, jump, pump, pump. One more time, jump, jump. Everybody do the trip pump. We did a very, very good job. Absolutely incredible. The best pump you've ever seen. Many people are saying it. Thank you, Dejaago. Really? I should give you a job. Everybody do the trip pump. Everybody do the trip pump. Everybody do the trip pump.
So we've done a real job. We're ready, willing, and able to help. It's been like a different world. And it took place immediately. As soon as we surged, as soon as we went in, it took place immediately. And it could increase love and respect for our country. And that's why I'm going, because they did a fantastic job. As soon as I called and told them, let's go, the whole problem stopped. That was, what, 6 days ago?